Guys, it's time to talk about HBAR once again on the channel. Now, I haven't talked about HBAR in quite some time, guys. If you can see, what is surprising about HBAR is that if you look at it on the daily time frame, here is August 5th when most cryptos had their low, and you can see that it basically made another low. And the shocking thing is, it was just a week ago. And so yeah, that's actually kind of a surprise to see, in my opinion. Now, HBAR right now has broken above its daily range, basically, that it's been in since August. And I would like to see, though, HBAR really get above 8.1 cents. That does mean taking out this daily time frame resistance here at about 6.8 cents. And taking out the 8.1 cents here. And then I think, HBAR will be primed really to, start making new highs. So yeah, basically that would put us above also a range that we've been in since middle of June as well. So let's see what happens. Now, if we go back to HBAR, let's see how long it's been playing with this line here at about 6.8. Okay, it's hit it about 4 times. So yeah, guys, it is having a little bit of a rough time breaking through, but eventually it will. Now, if we take a look at CoinGecko here, I want to show you that the all-time high basically was at 57 cents for HBAR. I want to talk about token supply too. There is 50 billion tokens out, not out, but circulating is only 37.6, but there are 50 billion in the max supply. Now, for me, in my opinion, that's kind of a lot, but you do have XLM, XRP, Tron, ADA, all with, similar token supplies. So we'll see what happens, guys. I do believe this can reach its all-time high once again, but we just have to wait and see, guys. So keep that in mind. And yeah, Bitcoin at the moment, let's see, let me make this a little bit larger. It actually made itself smaller by itself. Now, Bitcoin is actually green again. It's actually making a bullish hammer candle on the daily time frame at the moment. So earlier today it was red. It was somewhere, I think, like 87,000, 87 and a half. So actually in the last, let's see, let me scroll here. Yeah, it almost hit 90 once again. So got up to 89, like 876. So it's been up here basically a couple of times in the last couple of hours. So it is trying to push through that 90,000 mark. I think it's going to do that tonight, guys. We just have to wait and see. But it looks like it just wants to push through 90,000 once again. So anyways, guys, let's move on here to the Google trends. So Bitcoin and crypto as a search term. Let me refresh this because something went wrong. Not my fault. So let's see what it says here. I want to show you this information. So crypto, basically, it's going up as a search term. It's basically the highest it's been since March. Bitcoin, basically, it's the highest it's been since, well, about 2 years ago, guys. Since what is this, like June or something? Yeah, June 2022. And if that little dot right there is the top, and I think this is the projected search, I guess, it's as high as the last bull run in April 2021, it looks like. So yeah, guys, I mean, you can also see, which places are searching Bitcoin, and yeah, El Salvador, Turkey, Brazil, Germany, Colombia, and yeah, I mean, it's quite interesting. Just go to Google Trends, check it out. There's also other related queries. So, Solana, Shiba Inu, things like this. So yeah, let's take a quick look here. Bitcoin quarterly returns, Ethereum quarterly returns, very similar, basically. They're right now 41% for Bitcoin, 25% for Ethereum, both having, excellent quarters. Now for the month, November, 27% up. And, September was our biggest, green month for September ever. But October was quite tame. So I'm wondering if we really kind of saved up for November and December. And, that's why we just didn't really have a powerful October. I mean, October was fine, 10%. It's excellent. But, I said yesterday, and I think maybe the day before, that I think we're going to see 20, 30, possibly 40% in November. So we'll see if this sticks, guys. Right now, 27%. It's excellent. Now, taking a look at the Bitcoin dominance, guys, this keeps going up, and I'm a little bit surprised. But best scenario would be, well, it's not really the best. I mean, the best would be if it goes down now. But maybe we get a double top here, and then we see it go down. So maybe it stops around 61%, and, makes a big crash. So that's what we need, guys, for the alts to pump. That's why, alts have gone down today. I mean, they're still up technically. I still have more than, say, 2 days ago, but this needs to come down, for alts really to significantly pump. When it was down here, I probably had a few thousand more dollars in my bag, than it is right now. So anyways, guys, we'll see what happens. But yeah, dominance continues to rise. It is a big day. You have core CPI and CPI. You also have a couple of FOMC members speaking as well. But of course, CPI is very, very important because basically, this goes hand in hand with these interest rate cuts. So this number has lowered from earlier today. I think it was around 65%. Now it's 62%. So there is a little bit more people believing that we're not going to get a cut. Now, everything, relies on CPI and, of course, PPI and things. If you go to this week, I think PPI is on Thursday. Yeah, PPI is Thursday, guys. And then Friday is a big economic day too, but we'll get to that, tomorrow or the next day. So anyways, altcoin season, let's see, let me refresh this. 33 has gone down again today from the previous couple of videos I made a little bit earlier today. I think it was 35. Last night was like a 41. So yeah, I mean, that goes hand in hand with dominance, guys. Fear and greed, 80. Like I said earlier today in some videos, we can stay in greed a long time, but, you do kind of expect a crash when you see these numbers and for, some days on end. So, yeah, I mean, you can see that the month it's more neutral now. So we're starting to come up, and probably in like a week or two, you're going to see this probably change to greed. So we'll see, guys. We're going up very fast. And it can go down very quickly too. So crypto bubbles, guys, some things in green, not much. HBAR, like this video, up 15% at the moment. XLM still up. Render still up. Surprised to see HTX actually. I made some videos on that. Long time ago, guys. I still get comments on that video, and people actually still watch it, and I can't believe it. Up so much today. I mean, it was up, I think, 30-something% earlier, but now 15%. XRP, AKT, Akash. Akash is a good one. I don't have it. I wish I did. Can't have everything, though, like I always say. BGB, guys, excellent one to hold. But anyways, if you want to, stake your Hedera or HBAR, go to Coinindo, guys, up here, and type in HBAR, and you'll get these, few places. HBAR, you don't really get much from HBAR, unfortunately. I have mine staked in BitTrue. I could move it, but it's really small percentages. And I don't know if I can get even 3.94 for HBAR here, but might want to look into that. But it is lending, so it's not savings. Anyways, guys, Bit2Me, you have to have their coin to get the full amount. So be careful with this one. I did test that one out not long ago, a few months ago. And Gate, guys, I only have my Gate token there, so I don't think I'm going to put anything more in Gate.io. So anyways, guys, if you like this video about HBAR, give it a like, comment, share it with your friends. And yeah, guys, thanks a lot for your support. We're getting close to 500 subscribers, and yeah, I mean, it's really, I'm really pleased to keep making these videos for you guys, and I will continue to do so as long as you guys keep liking and subscribing. So anyways, thanks guys.